Welcome to English Binglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English.
Hello everyone, are you struggling to love yourself again? Do you feel empty, tired, or disconnected from who you are? Maybe you smile on the outside, but inside you feel lost. This lesson is for you. In this English lesson, you will heal emotionally, reconnected with yourself, learn important life lessons. Improve your English step by step. The English is simple, slow, and clear. Please listen calmly. You can pause, repeat, and reflect. Take a deep breath. You are safe here. Part 1. What is self love really? Many people think self love means being confident all the time, never feeling sad, always being strong, but this is not true. Self love means accepting your emotions, being patient with yourself, treating yourself like a good friend. Self love is not selfish. Self love is necessary. When you love yourself, you make better choices, you respect your limits, you heal faster. You do not need permission to love yourself. Vocabulary Part 1 Necessary, very important. Accept, to allow something to be true. Patient, calm, not angry. When things take time. Sentence practice I am learning to accept myself as I am. Part 2 Why do we lose self love? Most people are not born hating themselves. Self hate is learned. You may lose self love because you were criticized often. You were compared to others. You failed and felt ashamed. You tried to please everyone when people hurt us. We sometimes believe their words. Slowly we say, I am not good enough. I always fail. Something is wrong with me. These thoughts become habits, but habits can be changed. Vocabulary Part 2 Criticized, judged negatively, ashamed, feeling bad about who you are. Habit something you do again and again. Repeat slowly. My past does not control my future. Part 3 Your inner voice matters. Your inner voice is the voice inside your mind. It speaks to you every day. Ask yourself Is my inner voice kind? Is it supportive? Or is it cruel and angry? Many people are very kind to others, but very cruel to themselves. This is not fair. You deserve kindness too. Awareness exercise. Pause for a moment. Think of a mistake you made. Now ask, would I speak this way to someone I love? If the answer is no, change the words. Say instead, I made a mistake, but I am learning. Vocabulary Part 3 Inner voice, thoughts in your mind. Supportive, helpful and kind. Cruel, very unkind. Part 4 Forgiving yourself. Forgiveness is not weakness, forgiveness is strength. You are human, you will make mistakes. Holding guilt for years will not change the past, but forgiveness can change your future. Forgive yourself for not knowing better, choosing wrong people, taking wrong paths, being afraid. You did the best you could at that time. Part 5 Setting boundaries. Loving yourself means protecting your energy. A boundary is the limit. You can say no without explaining, no without guilt, no without fear. People who benefit from your silence will not like your boundaries. But boundaries are healthy. You are not responsible for everyone's happiness. Part 6 The Journey Back to Self, the story of Daniel. Daniel always helped others. He listened, supported, and gave advice. But Daniel was tired. No one asked how he felt. He felt empty and invisible. One day Daniel stopped answering every call. He rested. He walked alone. He listened to his heart. At first he felt guilty, but slowly he felt free. Daniel learned something important. Loving yourself sometimes means choosing yourself. You did not become selfish, you became whole. Part 7, Self Love and Daily Habits. Self love grows through daily actions. Simple habits: drink water, sleep enough, speak kindly. Move your body, learn something new. You don't need motivation, you need consistency. Even 1% improvement matters. Final message: please listen. You do not need to fix yourself, you need to love yourself. Healing is not fast, but it is possible. And while you learn English, you are also learning confidence, courage, and self respect. Thank you for being here. Thank you for choosing yourself today. If this lesson helped you, like the video, share it with someone who needs it. Subscribe for more healing English lessons.